Alright, where are we going?
We are about to go to Ely, Minnesota. It's 6 a.m.
6:30 a.m.
6:30 a.m. It's in the sub, bourbon. After it was broken down yesterday. It's rolling today.
We were supposed to leave at 6. We're half an hour behind schedule.
But we're on the way.
It's your first time camping. We don't want to throw you in 100% all at once.
I think this is wrong too, Joe. Something's definitely
It's looking a little thin.
The graham cracker, cut it perfectly in half. See, they make this seam for a reason. So close. 3 squares, that's the perfect amount. And place it like so on the graham cracker. Sandwich in there.
the perfect. We're out here camping in Ely, day 2.
The s'mores really echo, and so does the rain.
We got a new home out here. Joe's gonna give you the grand tour.
There it is.
It's a great day for hiking out here at the Cowiche Falls. Here we go.